My customer received this board and wrapped it as a Christmas gift and opened it up and charged it, and the power would not turn on the board at all. Went through and everything seems to be connected. We just disconnected the power switch here, and then he told me to take a video with a screwdriver. Both lights are coming on. And then when I go to press, I'm going to reattach the power button. When we go to turn the device on, it's fully charged. It won't turn on. The board won't turn on with the power at all. I don't know if you can see. Will possibly be wrong visibly, but when we go ahead and put a screwdriver on either side, the lights on both boards do come on. So let us know why the power button might not be working.